What's going on, YouTube? Wanye Films here with a new tutorial. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Today it's all about stabilizers. What kind of stabilizer I think a beginner should start out with. And I mean, there's hundreds of stabilizers out there, but this is just my thoughts, my opinions on what you should start with first. If you go to somebody else, they might say something different, you know what I mean? This is just what I think you should start with first. First, number one, the first thing I ever went and got, this right here, shoulder rig. Get a shoulder rig, definitely. You know, you put it on like this. They're pretty cheap. It's only about $100 for them. Well, for this one, I mean, there's others out there. I mean, it goes $200-300, you know. But if you're on a budget, go ahead, get you one. $100. You know, it allows you to get shots, do panning. You know, you get some panning in there. You know, tilt. You throw your camera on it. You know, you get them tight shots up close. You back up. You know, it is definitely recommended. Like I said, other people are gonna say try something different. This is my opinion, my thoughts on it. This is what I got first. It's a lot better than, you know, handheld, without a doubt. So get you a shoulder rig. Like I said, it's only about $100. Can't go wrong. This shoulder rig did come with barn doors, but I took them off. I didn't like them. This is the second thing right here. Get you a glide cam. The reason I said shoulder rig first is because you didn't have to balance it. It's real easy. You just throw the camera on the shoulder rig and go with it. This, on the other hand, you're gonna have to balance. It's all about, you see these right here? These are weights that you put on the bottom to balance out the rest of it. So it's gonna take some practice. That's without a doubt. This is definitely gonna take some practice. So what you do with this is, see how I got some weights on it right now. Like I said, it's all about balancing. This right here is what? Probably another $100. You know, get yourself one. They do get expensive. Don't get me wrong. These ones right here are probably, if you want them cheap, I got this exact one for $60, so they ain't bad. But it can get up there. It can get up to $300-400. So if you're on a budget, I recommend something like this. If not, if you got some money to spend, go ahead and get you like the Glide Cam 3000 or whatever. You know, something more efficient, something you can start off with. Highly recommend this though if you're looking for something to start off with and you're not looking to break the bank. This right here is a Zion Crane V2. They got the Zion Crane 1, the Zion Crane 2, but this is version 2 of 1. So this probably goes for about, I got this for $400. You can probably find it cheaper online depending on where you go. This also, you have to balance. I find it a lot easier to balance this than the glide cam back there, so keep that in mind. Take it out for you so you guys can see it. So that's that. Then you connect it. You know, I'll probably get some B-roll shots. Probably be better for you to see it that way. Comes with some batteries, rechargeable. This is the bottom piece that you put on it. Then you connect the camera to it. So yeah, this stabilizer right here, I love this right here. This beats all of them. So yeah, you want them smooth, buttery shots, get you a crane. Something I'm looking into, I'm gonna be getting really soon, is the DJI Ronin M. That's what I was originally gonna get before this right here. But I said, let me not, skip steps. I don't want to skip any steps, so I'll go ahead and get a Zion Crane, and I'll work my way up to the DJI Ronin eventually. The last one I'm going to recommend, if you plan on doing any type of vlogging, get you a Gorilla Pod. Gonna come in clutch. Trust me, believe me. You don't want to be holding your camera around like this. Vlogging, it doesn't feel right, it doesn't look right, it doesn't seem right. So get you one of these. definitely want to do that if you're planning on doing any type of vlogging. You know, yeah. So this right here, this comes in about 20 bucks. You can't beat it. Go ahead and get yourself one. $20. There are more expensive ones. There's always, like, you know, more expensive and then something down at the bottom of the list. Don't jump the gun, you know what I mean? Get yourself something cheap and work your way up like I do. And that's it. That's pretty much it for the tutorial on stabilizers. If you guys are, you know, interested in getting smooth, buttery shots, trust me, you're gonna want a stabilizer. You're just not gonna be able to get it with handheld. I mean, you can practice. I mean, you will get better at shooting handheld. But yeah. One last thing, bonus. I got a bonus for you. Neck straps. If you have a neck strap for your camera, definitely comes in handy. If you're doing handheld stuff and you put the neck strap on, you get some good shots using the neck strap. Trust me, try it. I would definitely recommend, you know, learning with the neck strap first, and then go ahead and get yourself a shoulder rig. The neck strap was actually, I said at the beginning, the first stabilizer that I had was the shoulder rig, but I take that back. I was using my neck strap, and yes, it does come in clutch. Without a doubt, 100%, use your neck strap, then go ahead and get yourself a shoulder rig, and so forth. All right, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Smash that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.